Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to meet new people and explore the world of online dating? Today I'm going to show you how to download the Europe Mingle dating app on your smartphone. Europe Mingle dating app is great for chatting, making friends and even dating Europeans. So we're going to look through how to download its app. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure it is connected to the internet, and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. Here I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now type Europe Mingle. You'll see the Europe Mingle app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. It should have this logo. Once you have found the app, you can see the install button next to the app icon if you are on an Android, or a get button if you are on an iPhone. So tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. Here you can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here, so tap on open. From here, if you already have an account, you can sign in using your credentials. If not, you can easily create a new account by signing up. And there you go, you've successfully downloaded the Europe Mingle dating app on your smartphone. You are now ready to start meeting new people on this app after you log in. So happy dating! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.